everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I will show you how to change the background or blur the background of your photo. This one is an outdoor portrait of our cricket team leader and the captain, the Mashraf bin Murtaza, and this photo taken by Jubair bin Iqbal brother, and I'm doing the editing. Okay, then I'm just opening up, and at first it will open in a camera raw filter, and all the properties all the show this image, and then open the image. After opening up the image, you have to make a copy this image in another layer by pressing Ctrl J, and after that I'll select the photo by using the pen tool. Okay, I'm going forward. Okay, I'm selected all the photo all over the photo, and just make selection, make it 0 and hit OK. It will just select all the areas, and after that, okay, take the lasso tool and press the minus button, that means the alter button, and just draw the area. You have to draw at a time. Okay, press Ctrl Z and just press the minus button. And when you are drawing here, just be careful, just because of you are selecting the area of important section. Be careful when you are drawing here. Select it, and after that go to the selection and press the shift button and hold it and select and mask option. Okay, the full image is good. Okay, press the minus options. Okay, this image nicely selected. Okay, select this one and hit OK. This one is the image. Okay, after that select this image and the white options and just turn it off. Select this layer, go to the selection and go to the modify and expand, make it 30 and hit OK, and go to the edit and fill and content error and hit OK. Okay, the photo gone, and I'll just turn off the mask, and I'll take this layer. After taking this layer, go to the filter and blur gallery and take the tile shift option. Okay, just make it to the okay, and just make it blur like that. Okay, make it blur. Just make it and hit OK. This extra blur will give you the nice feel of this photo. Okay, and after that make a group all the layers and make a merge, make it merge, and go to the filter, then camera raw filter. After making this, just I'll edit the basic color correction of this one. I'm just adding some vignette and making this one like that, a nice thing, and go to the basic options and just highlight. It is the highlight, add some shadow, add some contrast, add some exposure, and okay, after that give some clarity and amount of sharpness and the luminance also, and then I'll reduce the green luminance, yellow luminance also, and add some orange luminance. Orange is basically the color of skin. I'm reducing the orange and add some red and give some blue. I'll reduce the blue luminance for the, okay, that's good. It's making the dramatic. Okay, after that go to the hue and just make it blue like that. Okay, hit OK. Okay, let's see what was the previous image. Dull picture, I think. Okay, this one is just dramatic picture. Okay, and after that I'll go to the color lookup and add the horror blue color, and I'll reduce the opacity. I'll make it only 12%, and after that I'll go to the gradient map and I'll just add the violet orange gradient and make it the soft light and reduce the fill like 14%. Okay, that's good. One thing is that let's see, the light is coming from this side, this left right side, and that's why I'll go to the place embedded option and add light from here, which is this one, and hit OK. and just rotate this one and hit OK. After that I'll go to the blur option. Before that, make it the visualize layer, and I'll go to the filter, blur gallery, and the blur option and Gaussian blur, and make it more Gaussian blur like that, and hit OK. Make it skin. That's good. Or I have another way. I'm just deleting this one. I'll go take a blank layer and go to the brush option. I have some light brush. Where is the light brush? Okay, this one is the light brush. I'll take the thinner light brush like that. Okay, making first white, then use this one. I should take the, okay, this one is good, and change the direction of the light and make it bigger by pressing third bracket closing and give this one. Okay, this one is too much sharp. Then I'll go to the filter and make it the blur option and Gaussian blur. Okay, this one is blurry, and reduce the opacity and make a group of all the layers and make it merge. After that, go to the filter and the nick collection. Before that, I have to do something. Okay, make another copy by pressing Ctrl J, and I'll go to the tool, which is the blur tool, and just blur some area. Okay, before that, just make it 52%. Okay, I'll do blur the area of the face, which is the face skin. Okay, basically it will just give the picture is nice. Okay. Okay. That's good. And make it group by pressing Ctrl G and make it merge. And after that, go to the filter and Google Nick collection and Color Effects Pro. And Color Effects Pro is loading, and in the meantime we are waiting for that. Okay, here is some amazing filters, and which filter I should add. Let's see. This filter is nice, and hit OK. Click the OK button. And go to the level, and go to the gradient, add the gradient last one, and make it okay. That's good. And make all the layers group and make it merge. Okay, let's see what was the previous and the last image. And this one is our last image, the raw image, and this one is our edited image. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching my video tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And till the next video, I am ASMR signing out, and bye bye.